In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install Litematica or Litematica on Minecraft. So you can go to Google, search for this and whatever. It's going to be confusing. The easiest way, always, for Minecraft is using CurseForge. So we open CurseForge right now, right? Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, what you want to do is go to Browse, and in Browse, click on here because it says mod packs. This is just mod packs, right? Click on this, a drop down will appear, click all, and on the search bar, just type in Litematica or Litematica, I don't know how to pronounce this, and just search for it. And as you can see, it is here, a modern schematic mod written for Fabric and Light Loader on 1.12 with extra features for creative mode work. And as you can see, this has been updated 6 days ago, so this is still very active. So file release date 6 days ago. So what you need to do is just click install, right, and create a new profile, Litematica. It creates, and now it's going to be downloading and installing Litematica. And there you go. You just need to click play and you'll be all sorted out. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.